Hello guys, today we're taking a closer look at the Osmo Dashcam Pro, a front and rear dash camera system that claims to deliver 4K recording, night vision, and smart parking protection. On paper, it sounds like the perfect upgrade for drivers who want extra peace of mind on the road. The front camera captures sharp 4K footage during the day, and under good lighting, details like license plates are usually clear enough to read. The rear camera records in HD, and the loop recording feature makes sure you're always covered without worrying about storage filling up. However, the weaknesses show up at night. In low light, the video can look grainy and washed out, which may be disappointing if nighttime driving is a priority. Some users also report the suction mount loosening on rough roads, and the menu system feels a bit dated compared to newer competitors. One bright spot is the parking surveillance mode, which keeps watch even when your car is parked. Overall, the Osmo Dashcam Pro is solid for daytime use, but for stronger night clarity and long-term reliability, there may be better options out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.